Jonah down there.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Trouble everybody in the mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Trouble everybody in the mind. Jonah went down from the side of land. Couldn't find no one to be his friend. Disobeyed God and he had to pray.
And Moses had a storm on the water that day.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Troubled everybody in the mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. He troubled everybody in the mind. They cast over Jonah overboard. God sang a whale and swallowed him whole. Went on down to the end of the land.
Jonah on a bed of sand.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Troubled everybody in the mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Troubled everybody in the mind. Jonah rose up from the sand. Went on down to the end of the land. Preached the gospel and his command.
Repent ye wicked men.
God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Troubled everybody in the mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Troubled everybody in the mind. God moves in a windstorm. He rode in a windstorm. God moves in a windstorm. Trouble everybody in the mind. Trouble everybody in the mind. Trouble everybody in their mind. Thank you very much. Roger. Yeah. Roger. Jack wants to be louder.
Is your microphone?
He can't hear himself. I can hear you. I can hear you. Just so you know. Can we all hear Jack?
Oh yeah. Okay. Way too much.
All right. Yeah, we don't have any water.
Thank you, Josh.
So, this is Jack. In the end, Jack Schwartz. He's our resident ichthyologist. Every band should have an ichthyologist. And you're right. And yeah, you never know. He's the one that keeps him. He's in charge of all the scales. And so on my left, also tonight, for the last 18 years, Pat Conlon on the mandolin.
All right.
I have to say, Stan and I are just so lucky to have these guys. Not only wonderful musicians and good friends, but they've now moved so that we're all within a mile of each other. Our practices are way too much fun. So yeah, Jack brings the beer and Pat brings the cannolis. And yeah, fun trying to sing after eating one of those. All right, so here's a song. This is our folky set. Those of you who read the press release, I think it described us as veteran folkies. Well, we are, and we have a whole set of music that is in the folky vein, but we decided that as we're getting a little older and that and gigs are harder to find and all the coffee houses are featuring younger people, that we might have to play at the rum line. So we have a set. we have a set that Pat calls our lounge set. So, yeah, you need one? Oh,
it's good.
he does that to me all the time, Jack. You guys done? All right.
Raj, excuse me. Raj, this is right at the point of feedback, so just tweak it a little bit.
This is our hot mic. final